What's the matter, Ruru? You gotta go potty? You gotta go outside? You gotta go outside, come on. No? You just know there's food cooking, that's what it is. You just know there's food cooking and now you know there's a kid. What, Kel? You're such a little whiner, man. Yeah, I hear you. You're cute, though. You just pull that out? Oh, okay. They already ate breakfast. We're trying to have actually kind of like a brunch because it's 10:38. A little late night last night. Not really, actually, not at all. We just slept in. I guess I could do my intro. What is up, you guys? Welcome to a Vlogmas Day 21. We have brunch going because it's a little too late for breakfast, so yeah, we're having brunch. I don't know what else is planned for today. I will be doing the light lacquer advent calendar day 11. I think that's what we're on. So that'll be in a little bit, but right now we're just gonna finish breakfast. It's just eggs, hash browns, and sausage. Oh, Andy and my coffee. What, do you want outside? You want outside? Okay. Well, he was done for being outside. He was out there for 9 minutes. It must be cold, Belly. It must be cold.
Stop doing the cat one?
No, not really. You can open one, see if they'll eat it. What day? I guess just choose a day.
Just choose a day. That's not how this is supposed to work.
But your grandma started off on like the 6th, and then the cats didn't like it.
She started off on the day that...
I know, but still.
She finally got to it.
Well, today is the 21st.
She can't even get it open.
Ooh. It's gonna be a double advent calendar day today. Oh man, Puma actually likes those. Those are like the fish looking ones.
Here. Might be too big for it.
Maybe. Ooh, do you like that one, Rocky? Yes, you do. They're like, oh, yeah, let me have these, let me have these, let me have these. Breakfast is all done. Now we have to clean up, and Kevin, he just emptied out, there we go, that cupboard right there, and he's actually gonna take it out. So that cupboard's gonna come out. So that's kind of what we're both gonna do. I'm gonna try and get both in the shot, but yeah, I don't know. Chat rules. gonna move you guys? Cause yeah. Temporary pause in the cupboard.
So laying, it'll be just one piece of butcher block. And then basically you'd have a 5 burner in the top because you cut a hole in it, rests down right down inside of there. You know, like some of the ones that we were seeing, how they're just built right in.
Those are really cool. I kind of like those.
You know, and then you build in
like the oven.
$1,300 for just the oven to look like it goes built right in. I mean, what's funny is they sell you the same brain that they'll sell you the burners and that. Then they sell you this separate. You know, so they'll sell you just a regular gas stove instead of even doing it. That's where I was having a hard time deciding what did I want to. It would look really sweet though if that butcher block came all the way down though. And then in it sat the oven. You're talking about that would look pretty sweet. But
now I remember why I had the camera off the tripod. It's so much easier. But he is able to get the doors off. Damaged our floor a little bit. I'm not going to talk about that. But then explain what he wants to do, you know, over by our stove area. Because we have not redone this. We've somewhat redid this side of the kitchen. Like, we still got to do the wall backsplash, like on the sides. Focus. And it's gonna match like this honeycomb tile. I really like that. That's matches kind of to my desk. But anyway, so this cupboard's gonna come out, and ooh, that ceiling, that's gonna be fun. He's gonna have a fun time mudding that. I don't know if you guys can see, there is the ceiling that's already painted and everything is a little bit more raised because the cupboard kind of, I don't know how to explain it. I'm just here. My yellow. Just got back from the walk. They're gonna get their treats. And my baby is down there. And then I gotta get the cats a little snack, but then I'm going to mop the floor and hopefully my video will be done exporting because it crashed again for day 18. So we're still behind. Alright, so I'm about to mop this floor because our one dog has a little accident every now and then, so gotta clean the floor a little bit. And we already got rid of the bed in here, and Kevin's scraping part of the trim and where the cupboard was and stuff because that way he can mud it. And yeah, so I am gonna have to do over here, but Alright, so I just got my video for day 17 live. It is live. We're gonna really quick open up the, I believe the 11th day of the Lights Lacquer 12-day advent calendar. And then for dinner, we are just going to be making, unfortunately, it's not homemade, so meatballs. I mean, there will be meatballs. Meatballs will be involved, but I wanted to say lasagna. So we're making lasagna and meatballs. And basically I'm just heating up, it's like the little frozen, you know, like little lasagnas, and then it's just some more of those plant-based meatballs. But I was so excited for lasagna and I said meatballs. Anyways. Oh wait, no, do we have 10? Nope, we did 10 yesterday. Alright, so day 11. Wow. Ooh, it's white. Yay. Ooh, it's actually not like a white. It's like a cream color. It says the name is Got You Cookie. I don't know, there's like a shadow nowhere wherever I do it because the way. I love white nail polish. I love their white. It's like whiteout or paper. No, it's called paper snow. Horribly painted, but there is. Let's see, can I get it in like a light, maybe? And don't focus on my face. I'm sorry about the vacuum, but well, since we were so rudely kicked off our couch, there we are with like 2 coats. So it's a nice cream, just like almost a beige color, but it's more just like on the cream side. I like it. It almost kind of reminds me like a cookie dough color, but not dark. So never mind, scratch that. It almost looks like flour. Like the shade of flour. Alright, while these dry, I'm probably gonna maybe edit a little bit more, and then we are gonna make that dinner, like the lasagna and meatballs like I mentioned earlier. So I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up for this cute crow, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you enjoyed my videos and you want to binge watch some more, or you missed any of the other vlogmases, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in tomorrow's vlogmas. Bye! There's nothing out there, man. Nothing. Say bye. Hey. Rooster.